Hello there, Samurai. It's DavinchyFX. Let's get straight into it. So coming into the market today, I have this analysis marked out since yesterday, right? So I had this point of interest marked, and price was formally here after it flipped bearish. It was formally bullish and then it flipped bearish. So now it has not given me a valid pullback until now. So now this is my structural high, my structural low, my point of interest. Then if price gets to that zone, I would be looking to sell EURUSD but for now I'll be looking to sit on my hands. So the sell will be around there. My stop loss above the structural high. That's for aggressive traders, but for confirmation traders, so my stop loss will be more tighter than this and more precise than this. So this is my analysis on EURUSD. Moving on to the next page, GBPUSD. So GBPUSD also is strongly bearish, right? I had this point of interest mark since yesterday. So this is still my structural high because this was not a valid pullback for me, but the other block was very much valid. So this will be my structural low. This is my point of interest marked. This is my structural high. If price taps into it, and I'm waiting for a confirmation to sell this pair. As easy as it gets. Keep it stupidly simple. You don't need to complicate it. So that is that for GBPUSD. Moving on to the next page, GBPCAD. So for GBPCAD, it's TP already. You can see I marked out this trade and sent it on my previous video on YouTube, and I don't know if anybody took it. This is beautiful. So that's why you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and for more updates like this. So it was formally here as of yesterday, but I had a belief that by today it would have flipped, it would have touched our TP, it would have hit our TP, and luckily for us it has hit TP already. So now this will be our new structural high. Then our new structural high, our new structural low. So then where will be our new point of interest? If I need that, I want to go down to my 30-minute time frame, then mark out a valid point of interest, which for me will be here. So this will be my point of interest on GBPCAD. So if price gets there, I'll be waiting for a confirmation to sell from this zone. The point of interest, my SL above the structural high, then my TP the structural low. As easy as it gets. Beautiful. So moving on to the next page, USDCAD. So USDCAD is very much bullish. After I flipped bullish yesterday, you can see how perfectly it bought from our point of interest. Perfect, you can see. So now this is the new BOS to the upside. As easy, just make it stupidly simple, and that is just it. So where will be my new point of interest? If I'm looking to buy this pair, I'll be looking to buy it from here. So this will be my new point of interest to buy USDCAD from. Yeah, what will be my new structural low? This will be my new structural low over here. Then my TP will be above the structural high. As easy as it gets. So this is my analysis on USDCAD. And for USDCHF, so USDCHF also flipped bullish, as you can see over here. This point of interest becomes invalid because this was a valid pullback. Let's check it out. Yes, the pullback was valid, very much valid. So now this will be a structural low. This will be our structural low. Then our point of interest will be this. Let's go down to our 30-minute time frame. Okay, let's go back 15. So that would be my point of interest on USDCHF. Solidly bullish also, just like USDCAD. So if price taps into our zone, we wait for a confirmation, then we look to buy. Let's try it out well. As easy as it gets. So that is that for USD CHF. Moving on to the next pair is XAUUSD. So XAUUSD is solidly bearish. You can see the massive sales we caught yesterday. You can see how beautiful this is, which I posted on my channel before taking it. So that's the beautiful thing about being on my YouTube channel. So this zone becomes what? Invalid. This structural high gets invalid. Then we have a new structure, which will be what? Which will be this. So now we got another BUSD downside over here. So where will be our new structural high? Over here. This will be our new structural high. Where will be our point of interest? This will be our point of interest to sell from. So if I'm looking to sell gold, I'll be looking to sell gold from this zone, my SL over here, then my TP at the structural low. As easy as that. So this will be my analysis on XAUUSD, which happens to be gold. Then for crypto traders, let's check BTC. So BTCUSD. So BTCUSD has been strongly bearish, right? So let's see if we've gotten a valid pullback. Let's see, because this was formerly our. So let's see if this pullback was valid. Let's see. No, this pullback was not valid. So where happens to be our structural high? Our structural high remains the same. Our structural high. Okay, we got another BOS here. You can see them. So another BOS here. That's how easy it should get. So we need precision. So let's see, this is our 1 hour order block. Then we can resize it into something more precise on the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, where would I want to be my point of interest? Okay, this should be my point of interest. But if you don't want to miss out, you can leave it on the 1 hour point of interest. But for me, I love precision. So this will be my analysis on BTCUSD. So if I'm looking to sell BTCUSD, I'll be looking to sell from this zone to this low. So as easy as it gets. So this is my analysis for BTCUSD. And for ETHUSD, ETHUSD hit our TP. You can see this is our point of interest. You can see how massively it sold. Even if we were not able to scale in, it was just behaving one sort of way, but still yet it hit our TP for aggressive traders. So where will be my new point of interest if I am looking to sell this pair? This will be my new point of interest. If I'm looking to sell this pair, then what will be my new structural high? This will be my new structural high if I am looking to sell. So this will be my new structural high to sell ETHUSD from. And that is that for this. See you lots in the next video.